Today I'm going to show you how to make a foam tile print such as this one. Before we get started on the tutorial, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need your printing paint, a roller or a sponge. I'm going to show you how to use both of them in the tutorial. A pen, a foam board and a scrap piece of paper. Before you start printing the tile, it's good to think of an idea of a pattern or a design that you want to draw. You could get inspiration from the objects around you, things in nature, leaves, flowers. Today I've chosen a fish design, such as this one. So on a scrap piece of paper you could just draft out some sketches, draft out some designs like this, so that you're more prepared when you're drawing on the foam tile. So once you have a rough design on a scrap piece of paper, copy it out onto the foam tile and then lightly draw with a pen the design on the tile. Once you've got your design, get a pencil, and what you're going to do is you're going to go over the design but a bit firmer to create grooves. Can you see? So you're just going to go over it with small strokes over the pen marks that you made previously. So once you've made the grooves on all the design, now you're ready to print. So squeeze a bit out some paint, and if we're going to use the sponge first, what we're going to do is dabble the paint, and then we're going to go over the tile in motions like this. And make sure you cover all the white bits. If you need more paint, squeeze out more paint. Please do, like that. Also, feel free to use multiple colours on one tile. For this tutorial I'm just doing one colour, but you can make half of it green or half of it blue. So now I'm going to show you how to do it with a roller. So squeeze a bit more paint out, like this, and then you're going to get your roller. I'm rolling on a old chopping board because I don't want the table to get dirty, so find a surface that you're okay to put the paint on, maybe a paper plate or another piece of paper. So then go over the paint with the roller, go over your print. Make sure you don't put too much paint on the paper, on the tile, sorry. Cover it all like this. And once it's all covered, we're ready to print. So, once you've got it, you flip it over on a piece of paper and press down. So once it's pressed on the paper, push, 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 push. So push down for about 10 seconds. Okay, I think it's ready. And there you have it. A foam tile print with some fish.